Well, Ultratec is located in Madison, Wisconsin. We are the worldwide leader in the development and manufacturing of assistive tools for people who are either deaf or hard of hearing. We manufacture caption telephones, TTY devices, and other communication devices that help people with various levels of hearing loss. We made a decision about 6 years ago now to implement QAD as our enterprise ERP system to drive our manufacturing process, our back office accounting, and our sales process. And our expertise as far as our internal IT support was all in the Windows Server environment. All of our development was in SQL.NET. So we really had no internal expertise at all in the area of OpenView or Linux. And so we had to look for a vendor to help us augment that skill set instead of trying to go out and hire and manage a skill set that was not in our technical structure. We worked with another vendor to implement QAD into our environment, but we were struggling in getting the level of response that was necessary. We are a 24/7 operation that required a near immediate response when we had technical issues, and we also were struggling in dealing with a number of development related problems. When we moved to Progress, we were able to resolve a number of outstanding issues that we were dealing with for several years, and we also got, through the MDBA service, we got a level of support that was reactionary when we were encountering problems, which is what we needed. The stability of our system now is excellent. We rarely run into an issue. We have much better performance. And when we do run into an issue, we have the response with the area of expertise from our DBA that we need.